I would not reveal the lawyer's name, and I spoke to lawyer for around 15 minutes, and the lawyer said, yes madam, we are getting it done. I told the girl, unwedded mother from Marseille, to go with a lawyer to the woman police station, Panjim. I guess Ponda or Panjim. I've got the copies. I'm going to give me the copies. Woman police station in Panjim. And there, arrest warrant kadlo te Chaliache, where the boy was called. I would not reveal facts what happened in the police station. Arrest warrant kadlo. Very later, he gave a letter to the Women Police Commission. That girl has sent me yesterday. I would only read, without revealing the names, what that boy has given to the police station. From so and so to the police inspector, Women's Police Station, Panjim, Goa. Madam, I, the undersigned, would like to say that a complaint against me was lodged by ... that girl's name, before your police station. I would like to settle the issue with her by marrying her, by taking care of her, giving name to the baby. I have already discussed with her now, and accordingly we have come to a conclusion that we will get married soon. I will see that she stays with me separately in a rented place, and within 2 weeks' time I promise to civilly to get married to her before the civil register. Yours faithfully, ... Will have failed, but Mahila Congress has passed here. That girl, the unwedded mother, called me. She was bitterly crying. She thanked the Mahila Congress, she thanked us and said that we will be getting आमकां खंय तरी आसरो जालो, म्हज्या भुरग्याक नांव मेळटा मॅडम, म्हाका एक घर मेळटा, म्हाका घोव मेळटा, आनी म्हजो रिस्पेक्ट म्हाका परतून मेळटा. On this I want to tell that Mahila Congress, we Mahila Congress feel that this is another feather to our cap. This is an achievement. No matter what, we are really feeling that inner satisfaction that we could at least settle this one matter. The girl called us, the family called us, neighbors called us. In fact, the girl wanted to come here, sit beside me, and wanted to even address before you, which we stopped. She has conveyed to the people of Goa. She sent a message to me on WhatsApp saying that, madam, on behalf of me, please convey the message to all the Goans that this unwedded mother from Marseille has got justice, and she's achieved this. She's got the justice because only and only because of Mahila Congress, and she's told खंयचे विक्टीम जावं कोणाकय जस्टिस जाय जाल्यार कोणाय दारार वचनाकात म्हणून महिला काँग्रेसाचे वचात, तुमकां न्याय मेळटलो म्हणून. So this is the message she has given. So we feel honored. Secondly, she has sent me this copy. She has also sworn an affidavit. She said, I'm concerned of as Mrs. Pratima Coutinho, Mahila President, is summoned by you all, by the Women Commission Office, which we have learned through the press and media. Women Commission, that Mrs. Coutinho was called by me to Women Commission, and hence I wish to invert this affidavit